Hey everyone, so week 338 coming up in just a second. Now, if you do like these videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell button and commenting below with things you would like to see. The tab for this can be found on my website, which is dansguitar.com, linked up there and down below. And if you want a jamming track, you can wait until the end where there's a smaller 2-minute version of it, or if you want the full track, you go to my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/danspage. Again, linked up there down below, and you'll find it on there under the Jam Zone tier system. Nice. Right, so that lick coming up right now. There you go, it's another little face melter. So it's pentatonic, so we get so many licks from pentatonic, just 5 notes. 5 notes create so much fun and enjoyment, and many decades of blistering solos and blistering licks, iconic solos and iconic licks. Can't go wrong. So if the first thing you're ever going to do on guitar, your advice to someone else would be to learn the pentatonic scale. Anyway, so it's great. 5 notes, sort it out, we'll go through it, breakdown coming up now. So much fun to play along with that track, and you'll get that coming up in just a second at the end of the video, but for now, let's break this lick down for you. So, pentatonic, using the A minor position 1, even though we're actually using a mixolydian, but we won't go into that. So up on the 17th and fret from that root note of the A. And now the lick itself, so that's your first little section, and it's quite important to get those vibratos on the oh man, what have we got? The E note there and the C note there. So okay, so you're going to the first off the A note on that 4th string, which is the 19th fret. So it's 4 strikes. And then skipping a string to the 2nd string, 17th fret, with vibrato, back to the 19th fret on that 4th string, like that, and then 17 again on the 3rd string with vibrato, and then back to that A note. So, and then you've got this bit where it goes 19, 17, 3rd string. You can pull off or pick, your choice, and then 19, 17 on that 4th string. So, and then you're into the faster part. So the 6-tuplets, which is it's as easy as that, but when you're playing it at speed, it's not so easy to get. But for now, we end up with a nice little 6-note pattern. And this is the same in groups of 2 as we go through. So we've got the 17, 19 hammer on, pick the 17 on the D string, and then pick the 19 and then pull off to the 17. So, and then you go back to that 19 on the A string to finish the sequence. So 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you do the same thing, just a string higher. In string wise, not pitch. Okay, so, and then the next thing, following the pentatonic shape, and then you finish with a 20th fret full tone bend with vibrato if you want to, or go into something else from that point. So I'm going to play the whole lick for you slow. Now here it goes, 3, 4, and at the end. Right, so consider that hitting that subscribe button, the bell button, and all of those things for future notifications, and visit the Patreon page and my website for tabs and other lessons that you won't find here on YouTube. Now, that track is coming up in just a second. I bid you all farewell. Please have fun jamming along with it and enjoy the weekend, and apologies for last week for not posting. There you go. See you later, everyone. Bye.